feel such a sense of unity, and then when they come home and they see what's going on in the media. Hi, shalom, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamar, and today we're going to make an Israeli salad while we discuss unity in Israel and why it's so important in this war that we remain in unity. So we have 3 cucumbers, 3 tomatoes, a lemon, and onion. I like purple onion. Some people use regular onion. Israeli salad is usually what you call a cucumber and tomato salad. Some people add peppers. I know growing up we call this an Israeli salad, but most Israelis actually call this a salat katzutz, a chopped salad. I wanted to discuss why unity is so important. First of all, we know that this war started when, Israel wasn't super united. We're having a lot of fighting from within. So it doesn't mean that you're not supposed to hold on to your truth and just give in to the other side for the sake of unity. Shalom means hashlama. We each have something we can learn from the other side and something that they can teach us. Shalom is one of the most important things in a marriage to have. It doesn't mean that you don't hold on to your truth, right? We could have disagreements, but we know that there's something greater than both of us in this, and that's our marriage, our home that we built. We could even learn and grow from each other. Soldiers that are in the battlefield say that when they're in the battlefield, they feel such a sense of unity, and then when they come home and they see what's going on in the media and what's going on with hatred. We're not talking about the majority, but there is a minority of people that are, the way they're talking and the poisonous way that they're talking about each other and about other people in the nation, it hurts them so much. People that were killed, they said what they stood for was staying together as one nation and being one people. We also know this from the Bible that Achav, he wasn't a righteous king, and him and many in his generation were idol worshippers. But we know that when he fought in battles, he didn't lose even one soldier, meaning none of them were killed. And the reason for this was because in that time they were united as one, as opposed to David HaMelech, David's time. Even though he was righteous and people there were more righteous, soldiers did die in war, and the reason was that because they had inner conflicts, meaning it's a real spiritual law that when you're united, it helps you in the battlefield. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Some people like to add black pepper. I like to add a little bit of lemon, not too much, and of course olive oil.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want it.
This doesn't mean that you have to start hating on other groups, and it doesn't mean that you have to give up your truth. So I hope and pray that we can all rub off a little bit on our amazing soldiers and the way that they have so much respect and brotherhood. And just like this Israeli salad, each ingredient you want it to hold on to its own, but we can still become one united Israeli salad. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up.